What is the average electrician salary in Philippines? The average electrician income in Philippines is around 3,800 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but tax takes a share and leaves $3,400 after tax. This brings home an average electrician pay of roughly $283 every month. While workers in small towns earn below this level, people in Manila take home about $4,000 after tax because big cities offer higher wages. On top of that, cost of living outside Manila is noticeably lower, so the practical buying power ends up being about the same. That is why entry-level electrician wages start well below the main average, but pay goes up quickly as you gain skills. However, earnings hit a wall after a few years, unless you take on supervision roles. Getting a university degree helps you break through this limit, which is why a degree opens doors to higher-paying positions like electrical engineer or site manager. Finally, small local firms pay the least, whereas international employers pay substantially higher rates for the same work. How much does an electrician make in Philippines depends heavily on who hires you, so choosing a large multinational company adds up to a much bigger paycheck over time.